Okay, ladies, we're going to jump right into this video. So today I am going to be washing 3 synthetic wigs I have here. I'm going to be using the Gain detergent and also the Gain fabric softener, okay? So I'm just going to be running the hot water right now. I'm going to be turning the stove on and getting the stove ready. I'm going to be running this hot water, boiling water into this pot right here, as you can see. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the fabric softener and also the detergent. I'm going to be placing that right into that pot. And I'm just going to stir those mixtures together. Once those two are stirred together, I'm going to be transferring the pot over into the stove. That way it can get to boiling, because the water boiling is what's going to make. Now I'm just going to be placing those wigs inside the container. You just want to make sure that it's completely submerged underwater, okay? Once I put both of those wigs inside the container, I let it sit for at least an hour, ladies. I would say about 45 minutes to an hour. So once those wigs have sat in the mixture for over an hour, or probably about 45 minutes to an hour, now I'm going to be taking them out. Look how dirty the water is. So you know the job has gotten done, okay? So I'm just going to be taking those out, and then I'm going to be taking a large paddle brush, and I'm going to be detangling them. Once I detangle the hair, now I'm going to be taking my flexi rods and just rolling the hair or curling the hair. That way it can give it, back its original state curls. Once I finish completely rolling the hair, I'm going to let the hair dry overnight. I just think that was a better way of doing it. You can let it dry a couple hours. I just did it overnight because I didn't need the wig until the next day. So yeah, I did overnight, and yeah. So now it's the next day, and I'm just taking out the flexi rod curls. The hair is completely dry, and yeah, this hair is super, super soft. The fabric softener and the detergent definitely has the hair smelling great as well, too. All right, ladies, and this is what the final product can look like. Thank you so much for watching.